You can see it, Model X, free supercharging. It got the Insanity Plus. So it's a steal. If you can guess what I got it for this week. Today, we're gonna be trying getting us an M3, boys. Welcome back and thank you for coming to the channel. Today we're gonna be looking at a few BMWs. Right now we got this 2010 BMW M3 convertible. Always make sure it's a decent seller. I don't really like the seller on this one, but we might give it a try. We might not. It does have a warranty. Definitely a beautiful car all the way around though. Sheesh! Oil looks decent. Got a little bit of leakage. Let's see if our top's gonna go down. Fully functional. Well, it may stop. Let's see. Fully functional. Yes, this one has definitely made it on the list. Hopefully we get this. MMR is booking for around 10, 11,000. Let me know what you guys think it's worth. The Mustang is back, the 5.0. If you guys remember, I got this one about 2 weeks ago. I got the bid for 7,000. Last week, someone got it for 9,000. And they did bring it back, and they are running it again. I don't know why, so we'd have to figure it. It does say exhaust cut. I don't know if they're just talking about the mufflers being cut or if the catalytic converters are being cut. Oh man, does it sound good though. Teslas that we tried getting last week are still here. I'm hoping to get this one, 2016, free supercharging with ludicrous mode, so 700 horsepower. I know a lot of you guys say I go fast through the Teslas when I got inspected, but understand me, I have 40 cars to go through. I got less than an hour and a half to go through all of them, so I got to spend 2 to 3 minutes per car. I know someone out there said that there's a way to check it, but that's like a 24-hour thing. Like, you got to do a test for 24 hours. Someone else said there's a scanner and you get the full report within like 2-3 weeks. I don't have that kind of time with the car. I got less than 3 minutes with each car. So with the way I work, I mean, with my method, it's been working for me, so I got to stick to it. On my JDM boys, hopefully we can snag one of these today. Yeah, sounds decent. I like the seller as well. They are a wholesaler. They're not like a franchise company, but they're an independent dealer, but they're a big one, so I trust it. We've green lighted the vehicle. Now again, green light means you have the option to purchase a warranty on the vehicle. If there's something wrong with it, you can try and bring it back. We just sold the red one yesterday. Let's try and get this one. Can't really show you guys when it's going through the auction. Very frowned upon, but I'll definitely let you know what it goes for and what we can get it for. This is a BMW 5 Series 2012. I don't know if you guys can hear this. That's why I just don't go for them. They're a little rattly. I'm not really a fan of the 2.0 turbo engines. Beautiful car though, but yeah, I believe BMW messed up putting those 4-cylinder engines in it with turbo. Beautiful Audi. Now you know I've been trying to get an A5 in the lineup for the last few weeks. Hopefully we can snag this one today. S-Line. No, this one has some rattle in the engine as well. Beautiful car though, but I think for the base S lines, they should have just went with a 3.0 non-turbo engine or the 3.2 liter instead of putting the 2.0 turbo because they always have trouble down the line. Honda Genesis looks nice. The issue when getting something like that is that obviously someone younger, like a kid, owned it, and you can just tell they beat the hell out of it, kind of. The body's hit here and there. Engine sounds okay. Lexus GS 300. These ones are usually good profit makers for the value you can get them at. And especially if it's under 150, you're able to work with more banks that you can sell a warranty with. If it's over 150, you can still sell a warranty, but you're limited. And you're limited to more of a cash buy as well. I'm not a fan of this seller either. It's like, why aren't they trying to sell the vehicle? But yeah, certain sellers you have to ask why do they have the vehicle here and why are they not selling it. If it's a franchise dealer and the car has higher mileage, well then understandable, franchises want to sell something with lower miles. This is the one car that did bring me down here, this one and the M3. 2014 650. Beautiful car. And for a right price. I think the MMR is around 4 or 5 grand. If anyone can help identify what this noise is. It's that weird rattly noise. I feel like it's coming from the turbos. Man, do I love Corvettes. I want to get an older one like this because I love the C7s and I think it would be the perfect drift car. And I feel like it's kind of hard to slide a mid-engine C8 Corvette, but it's still fun. Back at it to a 7 Series. Let's see if we can get her. Decent startup. Seller's pretty decent too. Not a franchise, but they are an independent dealership, a big one. And I do like how they do business. Unfortunately, this big, beautiful beast has water in the oil, so we are going to keep it pushing. Tesla gang, see if we can get us a Model S today. I see the sunroof is sticking and we got some cracked up there. Now, if I get this car, it's purely just for you guys. It's an experiment. Let's see how a 269,000 mile Tesla works. First things first, I am going to do my math on the vehicle. Make sure the battery's looking decent and healthy upon purchase. Pretty scary right there. 54%. They had it checked in at 85%. So that means in the last day or two it has already dropped down to 54, doing nothing. I think we're going to pass on the vehicle. I like buying these older Range Rovers, especially if it doesn't have the supercharger. Our odometer's not working. We got no lights up here. On this one, I think we're gonna pass, boys. Now the engine does sound really healthy on this one, but yeah, I don't want to get myself into some we can't even see what's going on. Found our 2-door E350 MMR. Book is at 5. I ain't gonna lie, it smells like some dank in here. Sounds good. The common code I'm seeing on all these Mercedes and BMWs is going to be a camshaft position sensor code. I don't know how much it's going to be to fix. Google's estimating around 200 to 500, so let's see if it's something feasible. I know on the 550 models, not these E350s, you're looking at like 1,000 and up. So let's hopefully, we'll try one out, see what it goes for. Down to the holy grail of cars, BMW M4. And in the back, we got a BMW M3. MMR, which is like the book value for dealers on both of these, you're looking at about 19 to 20 grand. I did watch this one go through last week though, went up to 21 and the seller decided to still not sell it. Is this one wrapped or is it just painted this color? It must be painted because I can see it's gold right there. Yep. Cold start on an M3. There's a key in. In the vehicle, so we cannot hear this one yet. Some vehicles, if they feel like people are going to steal them and it costs too much to replace it, they're going to not steal the car but steal the key. They're going to hold on to the key until towards when the car is about to run through, like within 10 minutes. Beautiful. We went through so many BMWs today only just for them to not start. 5 comp, boys. It doesn't sound as mean as I thought it was going to sound. Maybe if I push this. I think it did. Does anybody know the difference on what these do? Like, what are these for? Beautiful car. Love it. Porsche 718. I can honestly say I don't really work. I just have fun all day. We're back with the vehicles, guys, and let me get it all in the picture. You can see it. Model X, free supercharging. It got the Insanity Plus. So it's a steal. If you can guess what I got it for, last week I was a high bid offer at 18.2. This week, I can't say it just yet till the next video, but if you can guess it down below in the comments, let's see who's right. Now, I know that I said the Model X was free, but the truth is that's going to only apply to business owners and 1099ers. You have two options in life. Either pay Uncle Sam his tax money, or you can do a tax write-off on the Model X. Your choice. Fresh lineup. Thank you. If you like the video, go ahead and subscribe and like the video. I appreciate everything. If you're reaching out to me about how to buy Teslas or how to purchase vehicles or how to get in a dealer's auction, no problem. I don't mind helping you guys. I've already had a few people email us. Just email me. My email is in the bio. Peace.